Hello everyone, my name is Viviana Anze and I am going to present the topic tax identity thefts and refund fraud. How criminals target individual taxpayers. First, it is important to know what is a tax identity theft. There are many types of tax-related identity theft which can include somebody files a fraudulent tax return using your social security number, and why they are doing that? It is to get a refund and get money. All you need is your social security number. It can also include if someone earns wages under your social security number, or when someone claims a refund using a deceased taxpayer's information, or claim your children as a dependent. IRS flagged over 1 million tax returns for identity fraud in 2023. In the 2023 tax season, the IRS identified nearly 1.1 million tax returns as potentially fraudulent, associated with approximately 6.3 billion in refunds. By March 2023, the IRS had confirmed 12,617 of these returns as fraudulent, an increase from 9,626 confirmed cases in the same time in 2022. How victims face prolonged return resolution times? Individuals affected by tax-related identity thefts often endure significant delays in resolving their cases. On average, victims wait about 19 months for the IRS to correct issues and issue refunds. First, they obtain personal information via scams, phishing scams. Criminals send fake emails or texts posing as the IRS or legitimate organization to trick individuals into revealing their personal and financial information. Hacking. They may hack into computer systems to steal data, including tax-related information. Data breaches. Criminals may exploit data breaches of businesses or organizations that handle personal information. Physical theft. They may steal wallets, purses, or mail containing bank and credit card statements, pre-approved credit offers, new checks, and tax information. Once they have your information, they file fraudulent tax returns, stolen social security numbers and other personal identifying information to file fraudulent tax returns. Also, they may create fake W-2s or 1099 forms to support their fraudulent claims of income. Finally, e-filing. With the widespread use of e-filing, criminals can easily file fraudulent returns electronically and receive refunds quickly. They redirecting refunds. Prepaid debit cards. Criminals often use prepaid debit cards or bank accounts under their control to receive stolen refunds. Mail drops. They may have refunds sent to vacant addresses or mail drops to retrieve them. And they can also route refunds to accounts of individuals who may or may not be aware of their fraud. How to prevent identity theft? Be wary of unsolicited emails, and texts. The IRS never requests personal information via email or text. If filing electronically, use strong passwords and consider an identity protection PIN. File your taxes early. Filing your legitimate return early can help prevent criminals from filing fraudulent returns before you. Monitor your accounts. Regularly check your bank accounts, credit reports, and Social Security statements for any unusual activity. Report suspicious activity to the IRS. If you suspect identity theft, file Form 14039. Know your tax preparer and store returns securely. Don't leave your information everywhere. For protecting your information, secure your personal information. Be careful about sharing your Social Security number, date of birth, and other personal information. Secure your mail. Consider a lock on your mailbox and be cautious about what you discard in your trash. Use strong passwords. Create unique strong passwords for all your online accounts, including your tax filing account. Using antivirus and anti-spyware software. This can help protect your computer from malware and viruses. Be aware of phishing scams. Don't click on links or open attachments from unknown senders. And finally, verify the identity of anyone contacting you. Some warnings of possible tax identity theft are unusual delay in getting a refund. You realize that your Social Security number is lost or stolen. IRS notification that it is a duplicate tax return filing and report income or duplicate dependents. If you are a victim, get a recovery plan. Report identity theft to Federal Commission and Internal Revenue Service. Finally, don't forget, your ID and your Social Security number are valuable. So take care of your personal documentation to avoid identity theft and specifically tax identity theft. These are my references. So thank you for your attention and happy summer.